So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Badger 5 disposal. This is by Insync Curator. It's the half horse, and it comes with a brand new line cord on there. We did replace the mounting gasket up here. These are interchangeable. You had an old Badger 1/3 horse in there, and they're replaceable. You don't even need to remove that. But we like to put them in because it gives you a new putty, new mounting bracket, and that ensures us that it's not going to be leaking. So anyways, that's this. The rest of this is yours. So this is your 7/8 discharge hose coming down from the air gap. Your existing P-trap, schedule 40, up to this adapter. We did have the old disposal. One of these nuts was fused in place, so we cut the arm, removed everything, and then took this trap outside and flushed it out. It was full of debris. Also, this whole assembly was full of debris, so we replaced this portion. So this is still yours. That nut up there, the metal nut, this little piece of pipe is yours. But when you get to here, this nut, this T, and then this extension piece going down into here is ours. It's brand new, and the reason is it was it was blocked up. It was fused in place. There was nothing we could do with it. So no extra charge on that. It's just we want to make sure that everything's working correctly before we leave. Outside of that, this installation is done.